Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys how to off guys alarm sound. Friends, you want to off guys your alarm ringtone, and friends you don't want to use alarm ringtone sound on your Google phone. So friends, how to turn off alarm ringtone on Google phone? In this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to off guys your alarm ringtone. Friends, first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Google phone guys sound and vibration setting guys. Sound and vibration guys, we will tap here. Friends, you can see sound and vibration setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see guys phone ringtone setting guys, your notification ringtone. So friends, you can see default alarm sound, we will tap here. And first you want to change any ringtone, your alarm ringtone. Friends, you can change from here guys, select any ringtone and guys save option, tap here, your ringtone will change. Friends, you can see ringtone change, and you can increase and decrease this ringtone volume from here guys. So friends, we will click on again alarm ringtone, and how to off guys alarm ringtone sound. Friends, click on my sound setting, tap here, none option guys, tap here, and save option guys, we will tap here. Friends, now you can see guys when I will increase my alarm volume, friends, you can say volume will not work because guys we don't have any alarm sound. Alarm ringtone is off. You want to use guys, again guys you will have to set your alarm ringtone, then guys you can use your alarm ringtone on your Google phone. And friends, you can off from your search bar option guys, search here default setting here, default alarm. Friends, you can set default alarm sound guys, tap here, direct guys you can turn off here guys, click on my sound, non option, save option, tap here, your alarm ringtone will off. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you understood how to off alarm ringtone on Google phone. So bye bye guys.